that's the latest update coming in of Group Captain Varun Singh, who is no more. That has been announced by the Indian Air Force via a tweet this morning that they go on to state with deeply saddened to inform the passing away of Braveheart Group Captain Varun Singh, who succumbed this morning to the injuries sustained in the helicopter accident on December 8th. The IAF offers sincere condolences and stands firmly with the bereaved family. And remember, he had been in a critical condition from several days now after the helicopter accident that was reported and that had claimed 13 of the 14 people who were on the board of the Mi-17 V5 helicopter. And unfortunately, this news coming in of Group Captain Varun Singh, who was the lone survivor, who is no more. Meanwhile, he has been recently conferred with the Shaurya Chakra by President Ramnath Kovind for his act of exceptional gallantry. Certainly a huge loss for the entire nation. The entire nation paying their tributes to Group Captain Varun Singh and all the 14 people who were on board in the Mi-17 V5 helicopter crash, including India's first CDS, General Bipin Rawat, his wife, who were among those who were also martyred after this crash that occurred on December 8th. And remember, the investigation, meanwhile, is still underway. An inquiry has also been ordered, a tri-service inquiry. And the bodies of General Rawat and his wife and the other 13 have already been cremated with all state honours, with full military honours in the Brar Square crematorium in the national capital, as we have been reporting here on Republic TV. And the Prime Minister has now tweeted out stating, and I quote, Group Captain Varun Singh served the nation with pride, valour and utmost professionalism. I'm extremely anguished by his passing away. His rich service to the nation will never be forgotten. Condolences to his family and friends. Om Shanti. That's the latest tweet coming in of condolences by the Prime Minister. Let me also go across now to Shivani, who's also joining us. And Shivani, certainly a sad news coming in of the brave Group Captain Varun Singh, who's no more now.
Richard, the Indian Air Force has informed in a tweet just minutes back from now that Group Captain Varun Singh, who was one of the 14 people on board of the Mi-17 V5 that had crashed on 8th of December, exactly a week back on last Wednesday, is no more. And Group Captain Varun Singh, who was from Devariya in Uttar Pradesh, he was posted in Wellington and he had come to receive General Bipin Rawat and others for the particular function that was to take place on 8th of December. And he was admitted in the hospital in Bengaluru. He had been brought from Sulur to Bengaluru last week for his treatment, and the severity of his burns was around 90%. He was on life support system. He was critical since last 1 week. And today, the Indian Air Force has informed, and it has also conveyed condolences for the Braveheart Group Captain Varun Singh, who passed away today. And the condolences have been firmly sent to the bereaved family of Group Captain Varun Singh. But a very sad news coming in that he is no more now.
And stay with us, Shivani. And we also do know that there has been a tri-services inquiry that has also been ordered in this entire incident. And while we still await a report from that, this is certainly a sad news coming in, as all the 14 who are now on board of this helicopter incident on 8th of December have now been reported martyred and dead. And help us understand the latest that you are receiving in a background of Group Captain Varun Singh as well.
Richa, we know the tri-services inquiry has been ordered. The investigation is being headed by Air Marshal Manvendra Singh, who himself is a very senior official. He is the AOC-in-C of the Training Command. The inquiry is going on. The FDR, that is the flight data recorder, has already been retrieved from the site of the crash. And if we tell our viewers what the FDR is, it is a device that captures the parameters of the particular aircraft, like the altitude, the pressure, the fuel, the speed. So all these have already been retrieved, but the flight call recorder has yet not retrieved. And that recorder, which records all the audio